Imagine walking on eggshells every day, constantly second-guessing yourself, and feeling an overwhelming sense of guilt for things you haven't done. This is the reality for many who endure emotional abuse in relationships. The damage caused by emotional manipulation can be devastating, leaving you feeling inadequate and unworthy of love. But it doesn't have to be this way. In this episode, we will explore how to recognize emotional abuse, reclaim your self-worth, and navigate the path to healing and empowerment. Emotional abuse is a subtle and insidious form of manipulation that can be hard to recognize, yet its impact is profound. Victims often find themselves questioning their own reality and feeling perpetually at fault. If you've ever felt like you're always doing something wrong in your relationship, even when there's no clear reason, this episode is for you. We'll delve into the signs of emotional abuse, understand its effects, and most importantly, learn how to cope and heal. The challenge with emotional abuse is that it often masquerades as concern or love, making it difficult to identify. Abusers use tactics like gaslighting, blame shifting, and silent treatment to maintain control and power over their victims. This manipulation can lead to feelings of worthlessness, anxiety, and depression. It's crucial to recognize these signs early and understand that you are not the problem. The abusive behavior is. To begin the healing process, you must first acknowledge the abuse and understand that it is not your fault. Here are some steps to help you navigate this journey. Recognize the signs. Emotional abuse can manifest as constant criticism, passive-aggressive behavior, and manipulation. If you feel consistently undermined, belittled, or guilty without reason, these are red flags. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries with your partner. Communicate your limits and make it known that abusive behavior is unacceptable. This might be challenging, but it is essential for your mental health and self-respect. Seek support. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups. Sharing your experiences with trusted individuals can provide you with the validation and encouragement you need. Professional help. Consider therapy or counseling. A mental health professional can help you understand the dynamics of emotional abuse and develop strategies to cope and recover. The pivotal moment in overcoming emotional abuse is reclaiming your self-worth. Here's how you can start. Self-affirmation. Practice positive self-affirmations daily. Remind yourself of your strengths, achievements, and the qualities that make you unique. This will help rebuild your confidence and self-esteem. Engage in self-care. Prioritize activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Whether it's reading, exercising, or spending time with loved ones, self-care is crucial for healing. Journaling. Write down your thoughts and feelings. Journaling can be a powerful tool to process your emotions and track your progress over time. Educate yourself. Learn about emotional abuse and its effects. Knowledge is empowering and can help you make informed decisions about your relationship. Overcoming emotional abuse is a journey that requires time, patience, and support. Remember, you are not alone, and you are worthy of love and respect. By recognizing the signs, setting boundaries, seeking support, and practicing self-care, you can reclaim your power and rebuild your life. If you or someone you know is experiencing emotional abuse, don't hesitate to seek help. Reach out to a mental health professional, join a support group, or talk to trusted friends and family. Healing is possible, and you deserve to live a life free from abuse. Until next time, take care of your heart and your mind.